Hello and welcome again to another DSPB review video. In this one I'm taking a look at the best and completely free Android app, Open Camera, for your smartphone. But what is so special about this app? Stick around for the next minutes to find out. Now, one of the best features of this app is that you have full manual control. Just like with a mirrorless camera, you can select your ISO and shutter speed, for example, and you can do this in small steps, which is great. You can also easily lock the exposure with one touch of a button. On most other apps, this is really annoying and not user-friendly. You also have a quick menu, which gives you even more options, like choosing your white balance and so on. Which is great, but that's not everything. As soon as you go to the menu of the Open Camera app, your mind will be blown away. This camera app has by far the most options I've ever seen. From very simple things like choosing your video resolution to advanced options like choosing a video codec and even flat profiles, which is very impressive for a free app. You can even choose a different camera API. But the best feature is that you can choose the bitrate for your videos. Yes, you can choose a bitrate up to 200 Mbps, if your phone has enough power to handle that, of course. But a bitrate of 100 to 150 Mbps is already amazing to have in a smartphone. But that's not nearly all. Now I can't go through everything in this app because it can do so many things, and it can also be used for taking photos. You can choose to save your photos in JPEG, RAW and even in PNG. You can shoot bracketings, HDR and so much more, but this video would be far too long to show all of that. But one thing I want to highlight here are the flat profiles. You can choose something like Rec 709 or go very flat with the JT-Log 2 log profile. And as you can see here, it is really flat, so it's perfect for color grading it with a LUT. I can totally recommend the Open Camera app for photos and videos if you want better quality out of your smartphone. Since it is completely free, nothing should stop you from using it. I hope this is useful for you. If so, don't hold your mouse or smartphone like a schnitzel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.